you doing out there? You ever seem to have one of those days where it just seems like everybody's getting on your case, from your teacher all the way down to your best girlfriend? Well, you know, I used to have it just about all the time, but I found a way to get out of it. Let me tell you about it. Sitting in the classroom thinking it's a drag, listening to the teacher rap just ain't my bag. Noon bells ring, you know that's my cue. I'm gonna meet the boys on floor number 2. Smoking in the boys' room, smoking in the boys' room. Nah, teacher, don't you feel me? Up with your rules, or everybody knows that smoking ain't allowed in school. Checking out the halls, making sure the coast is clear. Looking in the stalls, no, there ain't nobody here. My buddy Fang and me and Paul, to get caught would surely be the death of us all. Smoking in the boys' room, yeah, smoking in the boys' room. Nah, teacher, don't you feel me? Up with your rules, everybody knows that smoking ain't allowed in school. All right. Well, they put me to work in the school bookstore. Checkout counter and I got bored. Teacher was looking for me all around. 2 hours later, you know I was found. Smoking in the boys' room. Yes, indeed, I was smoking in the boys' room. Now, teacher, don't you feel me? Up with your rules, or everybody knows that smoking ain't allowed in school. One more! Smoking in the boys' room. Oh, smoking in the boys' room. Now, teacher, I am fully aware of the rules, or everybody knows that smoking ain't allowed in school.
Come, Lucky. Venga, left, 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 venga, come. Come.
Yeah, everybody get on your feet. Yeah, you make me nervous sitting in your seat. Kick off your shoes and throw 'em away. Come back and get 'em another day. We barefoot, barefoot, we barefoot. Yeah, mama, we barefoot. Oh, went to a party the other night.
Venga, vámonos.
Lord, so Sally was out of sight. Threw up her hat in the high heels too, baby. She's doing a dance with her out in the shoe.